Today, we're talking about one of the most underrated sports cars on the market, the Porsche 718 Cayman. It doesn't have the same iconic status as the Porsche 911, but don't let that fool you. This car is an absolute gem in its own right, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that you won't soon forget. But like all cars, the Cayman isn't perfect. It has a few flaws that might make you think twice before making it your next purchase. So, is the Porsche 718 Cayman the sports car of your dreams, or an underrated model with a few deal-breaking issues? Let's take a closer look and break down the best and worst aspects of the 718 Cayman, counting down from 8 to 1. 8. Comfortable yet sporty interior. The interior of the Porsche 718 Cayman strikes a nice balance between comfort and sportiness. You'll find premium materials throughout the cabin, with leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and a design that feels luxurious yet driver-focused. The sport seats provide good support, especially if you plan on doing some spirited driving. The driving position is low, which adds to the feeling of being connected to the road. At the same time, it's comfortable enough for long trips or everyday use. Porsche doesn't compromise on quality, and the interior of the 718 Cayman is no exception. You'll enjoy the luxurious feel without losing the sportiness that makes this car so special. 7. Excellent road feel. When driving a sports car, one of the most important aspects is how it connects with the road. The Porsche 718 Cayman does an excellent job in this department. The road feel is precise and responsive, giving you the confidence to push the car hard when you need to. The steering is sharp, and you can feel every twist and turn through the wheel. Even at high speeds, the Cayman feels planted, providing a sense of control that many other cars just can't offer. The suspension is tuned for performance, but it still offers a level of comfort that makes it easy to drive daily. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking corners, the road feel of the 718 Cayman will make you feel like you're one with the car. 6. Great resale value. If you're looking for a car that holds its value, the Porsche 718 Cayman is a solid choice. Porsche has a reputation for building high-quality, durable vehicles, and the Cayman is no exception. While sports cars typically depreciate faster than other types of vehicles, Porsches tend to retain their value much better than most competitors. This means that if you decide to sell your 718 Cayman in a few years, you're likely to get a good chunk of your money back. Porsche's reputation for quality and the 718 Cayman's desirability ensures that its resale value will remain strong. 5. Iconic Porsche styling. The Porsche 718 Cayman's design is unmistakable. With its sleek aerodynamic shape, the Cayman looks as fast as it drives. The low, wide stance gives it a sporty, aggressive presence on the road, while the smooth curves and sharp lines add a touch of sophistication. The front end is unmistakably Porsche, with the signature round headlights and wide grille. From the rear, the wide hips and dual exhausts give the Cayman a muscular look that demands attention. Overall, the 718 Cayman has the iconic Porsche design, which blends luxury and performance perfectly. It's a car that looks every bit as exciting as it feels. 4. Impressive fuel economy. For a sports car, the Porsche 718 Cayman does well when it comes to fuel efficiency. On average, the Cayman gets around 21 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway, which is quite good for a car with this level of performance. When compared to other sports cars in its class, the Cayman holds its own. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a weekend road trip, the fuel efficiency of the 718 Cayman ensures you won't be constantly stopping for gas. While it's still not as fuel efficient as a typical commuter car, it's a lot better than you might expect from a sports car. 3. High-quality technology. The Porsche 718 Cayman comes equipped with a suite of high-quality technology features that enhance the driving experience. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. It's easy to connect your smartphone and stream music or access navigation. In addition to the infotainment system, the Cayman also comes with a range of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and park assist. These features add convenience and peace of mind, particularly during longer drives or city commutes. Porsche's attention to detail extends to the tech in the 718 Cayman, ensuring that everything works seamlessly. 2. Great driving experience. Ultimately, what sets the Porsche 718 Cayman apart is the overall driving experience. When you get behind the wheel of the Cayman, you'll quickly realize that this car was built for driving enthusiasts. It's a car that puts a smile on your face every time you take it for a spin. Whether you're on a racetrack or driving through the mountains, the 718 Cayman is pure joy to drive. The responsive steering, balanced handling, and powerful engine all come together to create an experience that is hard to beat. If you love driving, the Porsche 718 Cayman is a car that will make every trip feel like an adventure. 1. The thrill of speed. Let's be real. The Porsche 718 Cayman is fast. It's not just fast in a straight line, it's fast in corners, fast when you accelerate, and fast when you need to hit the brakes. The 718 Cayman's performance is nothing short of thrilling. Whether you're driving the base model with its 300 horsepower or the more powerful Cayman S or GTS models, you're guaranteed to feel the rush. The acceleration is instant, and the engine provides a satisfying growl as you push it to its limits. When you get behind the wheel of the 718 Cayman, the thrill of speed is always just a foot down away. Worst features of the Porsche 718 Cayman. Now let's take a look at some of the drawbacks of the Porsche 718 Cayman. While this car is an absolute joy to drive, there are a few issues that you should be aware of. 4. Limited cargo space. One of the biggest drawbacks of the Porsche 718 Cayman is its cargo space. While this car is great for driving, it's not the best option if you need a lot of storage. The trunk is small, and the rear seats are non-existent, so you're limited to the front trunk, also known as the frunk. It's enough for a couple of bags, but don't expect to fit golf clubs or large suitcases. If you plan on taking long trips or need to haul a lot of gear, you might find the Cayman a bit lacking in storage space. 3. High maintenance costs. While the Porsche 718 Cayman is an amazing car, it comes with high maintenance costs. As with most luxury sports cars, parts and labor are on the expensive side. Whether it's routine maintenance or unexpected repairs, owning a Porsche means you'll likely be spending a lot more on upkeep than you would with a regular car. If you're on a budget or looking for a more affordable car to maintain, the Cayman might not be the best choice. 2. Firm ride. While the Porsche 718 Cayman's handling is superb, the ride can be a bit firm. The suspension is set up for performance, which means it can be a little rough on rough roads or long commutes. If you're used to driving a more comfortable car, the Cayman's ride might feel a little harsh. It's perfect for spirited driving, but not ideal for everyday comfort. 1. High price. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Porsche 718 Cayman isn't exactly cheap. Even the base model will set you back a decent amount. And when you start adding options, the price can climb even higher. If you're looking for a more affordable sports car, you might want to look elsewhere. The Cayman is definitely a premium vehicle, and the price reflects that. Conclusion. The Porsche 718 Cayman is an incredible car that offers an unbeatable driving experience, superb handling, and thrilling speed. It's a car built for driving enthusiasts, with a refined interior and a powerful engine. However, it's not without its flaws. The limited cargo space, high maintenance costs, and firm ride might make it less practical for some buyers, and of course, the price tag might make it a bit out of reach for those on a budget. But if you're looking for a sports car that's fun, fast, and exciting to drive, the Porsche 718 Cayman should definitely be on your list. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Porsche 718 Cayman, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews, insights, and all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.